Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you easily disconnect threads from Instagram. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, of course, we open our store to make sure we have the Threads app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly in this process. After that, let's quit the store. Now open Threads. Make sure you are logged into your account and then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. From here we need to go to settings, so tap on those lines in the top right corner right here. Then let's go ahead and tap on account and then tap on deactivate or delete profile. Now from here, basically when you want to deactivate your threads from Instagram, you need to deactivate or delete your threads account completely. So you can choose to only deactivate your profile or even delete if that's what you want to do, and that will not delete or affect your Instagram account at all. It will always be safe. So just go ahead and do that, and that's how you successfully disconnect threads from Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching and see you in future videos.